Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a photo album on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and photos that we have posted to the Facebook like page. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio by the bookmark shortcut, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we can do is go to the actual Facebook like page for Computer Science Videos and go to photos. And here we can see that we have a healthy amount of images uploaded to our Facebook like page. Go back to Meta Business Suite, go to Content, go to Facebook Photos, and from here we can navigate to the top right corner, create an album. Let's call this album Test for YouTube. We can upload some photos if we wish to. However, we can also drag and drop, but let's just click on post to see if anything were to occur. So we are posting this album. If I were to, let's just say now, click on test for YouTube, go within that album, add photos or videos, upload photos and videos will take us to that same option. Go back one. If I were to, let's just say now, click on an image, 3 dots, download that image directly to the desktop, save that image, quick preview, go back to Meta Business Suite, go to test for YouTube, add photos or videos, upload photos or videos, take that image, upload. We can have a description if we wish to. Let's just say test for YouTube again. Click on post. It looks like something went wrong when posting a photo. Please try again later. Go to the actual like page, then navigate to albums. Go to test for YouTube. Add to album. Upload photos or videos. Take one from the desktop that was directly downloaded from our page, upload, click on that image, add to album, posting, your media has been added. Now go to album, and there we go. If I now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this, wait for that to load again, go to Facebook Creator Studio. Make sure that you are signed into the account again. Let's now go to content. Go to Facebook Photos. Wait for that to load. And there we go. Test for YouTube. One photo added to the album. Go back one. Go to home. Go directly to your Facebook like page again for the final time today. And go to photos, go to albums, and there we go. Test for YouTube, one album with one photo. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.